What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So day 4 of no tobacco. We have these 3 boxes right here that I have to take across the street to my grandpa's house so we can install them on a certain vehicle in the driveway, and I think you guys are going to know what I'm talking about. So after not dipping since Tuesday night at 9:30, I feel great. Honestly, the Cannadips is working pretty good for me. I haven't even dipped, or I should say not dipped, but used the sunflower seeds since Wednesday. I have not had sunflower seeds since Wednesday, so I'm just relying on the Cannadips and food, really, at this point. But I'm going to let you guys watch the intro. I will see you guys in a freaking second. We're going to get some shit done today. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. That's right. Today, guys, we are going to be fixing the broken lifted JKU Wrangler. And we're going to do it in freaking style. As I go down to turn on the air compressor, lots of time lapses today, guys, and we are going to get the brakes done on the freaking Jeep so we can get it inspected on Monday and finally have the freaking Jeep back on the channel. Couldn't tell you guys how many times I've done this in my life, but we get it out super easy each time. Bada boom, bada bing. So just a little bit of an update for you guys. We are having some issues with the front left caliper not lining up. So that is where we're at the moment. I'm now bundled. This gets freaking cold and windy. Well, we got new rotors, calipers, and pads on the front, and I will explain to you guys some of the issues that we ran into today, but still need to do the rears. We'll continue this tomorrow. Oh man, I didn't even get a chance to record a lot of that stuff today. So lo and behold, we are changing the rotors, calipers, and brake pads on my 2008 JKU Wrangler, which is lifted 2.5 inches. And first we ran into the issue of the driver's side front. For some reason, the threading on the new caliper was wrong, and we were trying like so hard to like be nitpicky without like full sending it through, and then obviously you know how that ends. So we spent quite a while messing with that, only to finally give up because we realized, okay, well, we just cross-threaded it because it wasn't the way it was supposed to be. Let's relax, get something to eat, move to the other side. So we moved to the right front, and the brake line is busted. So with that, we have a part coming in tomorrow so we can finally finish all that stuff. And we have the rear wheels off, calipers off, and guess what? Rotors are like seized and rusted to the back. So it's been a freaking headache, but that's all right, guys. So have a Cannadips in my lip. Things are going great. It's been I guess it would be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's 4 days. 4 days without a dip. Tomorrow, we're hoping to have the Jeep completely finished. I'll try to record more for you guys for the Jeep because I know you guys have missed the Jeep content. The Jeep is actually back on factory wheels because it's finally getting inspected. So, with that being said, hope you guys like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. If you haven't stopped dipping yet, join us on our journey. I'll see you guys in the next one.